Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can sync your audio with your video in Premiere Pro if you don't have any time code. For example, I am using my camera for recording my video and it's using its built-in mic to record audio as well, which is gonna be baked in the video. So this is how it's really sounding if I'm using the sound of my camera. To avoid that, I'm using this mic, which is an external mic, and it's not having time code into that because this audio is going into my system and I'm recording it on my system. So every time after my recording is done, what I will usually do is I will take video from my camera and then I take the audio clip from my system and then I bring them into Premiere Pro. And after that, how do I sync them without time code? Let me just show you. So first of all, create a new project and I will name it as sync sound and create. After that, bring in the clips which you need to sync. So these are the two clips which I have, and if you just hear the sound of this, it's gonna sound like this. That's our commercial sets. And you face a problem about any of the camera, you can just put a comment and I'll make a video about that. And then if I play the real sound which is recorded on mic, how it's gonna look is this. When you face a problem about any of the camera, you can just put a comment and I'll make a video about that. And now if I want to sync them, what I'll do is I'll select them both, right click on that, I'll go and I'll click on merge clips. After that, make sure it's on audio if it's not having time code or any other thing. So click on audio and then say okay. It will take some time to process, and then after that it's done. It's gonna give you a new clip. So if I bring this clip now, you can see it's having 3 channels here: channel 1, channel 2 and channel 3. First and second channel are from camera and the third channel is the channel which is having the real audio. So if I bring it here and I play it, imaging technician, what it means is you can see the audio from the camera is disturbing it. So what I will do is I will just mute these 2 channels, and now look at it. Means is it's a guy who is very techy and who is supposed to know everything about. So this is how you sync your video with external audio if it's not having time code. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.